Imagine this. You're sitting on the couch, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly, you see a notification from Stash. It's a small, green notification, but it holds a significant amount of potential. You open it up, and there it is, a notification saying you've earned a few bucks. Maybe it's $1, maybe it's a few cents. But it's something. And it got you thinking, how much money can you actually make on Stash? What is Stash? For those who aren't familiar, Stash is a micro-investing app. It's designed to make investing accessible to everyone, even if you only have a few dollars to spare. The app allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, and bonds, and it's incredibly user-friendly. You can set up automatic investments, round up your purchases, and even invest your spare change. How does Stash make money? Before we dive into how much you can make, let's talk about how Stash makes its money. Stash primarily generates revenue through fees. These fees can vary depending on the type of account you have and the services you use. Some of the common fees include management fees, a percentage of your investment assets. Transaction fees, fees charged for buying or selling investments. Account fees, monthly or annual fees for maintaining your account. Factors affecting your earnings. Now, let's get to the main question. How much money can you make on Stash? The answer is, it depends. Several factors can influence your earnings, including investment strategy, the types of investments you choose and how you allocate your funds. Market performance, the overall performance of the stock market. Your contribution, how much money you invest and how frequently you contribute. Fees, the fees charged by Stash. Investment strategy. Your investment strategy plays a crucial role in your earnings. If you're a conservative investor, you might choose to invest in bonds or ETFs that track broad market indexes. These investments tend to be less risky, but they also offer lower potential returns. On the other hand, if you're a more aggressive investor, you might choose to invest in individual stocks or ETFs that focus on specific sectors or industries. These investments can offer higher potential returns, but they also come with higher risks. Market performance. The performance of the stock market can significantly impact your earnings. If the market is doing well, your investments are likely to appreciate in value. However, if the market is experiencing a downturn, your investments may lose value. It's important to remember that the stock market is inherently volatile. There will be both good times and bad times. It's essential to have a long-term perspective and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. 1. Medium.com. Medium.com. Your contribution. The amount of money you invest and how frequently you contribute will also affect your earnings. The more you invest, the more potential you have to earn. Additionally, consistent contributions can help you build wealth over time, even if you're starting with a small amount. Fees. As we mentioned earlier, Stash charges fees for its services. These fees can eat into your returns, so it's important to understand the fees associated with your account and choose a plan that aligns with your needs and budget. Case studies. To give you a better idea of how much you can potentially earn on Stash, let's look at a few case studies. Case study 1. A young professional starts investing $50 per month on Stash. Over the course of 5 years, their investment grows to $5,000. Case study 2. A retiree invests $1,000 in a Stash retirement account. Over the course of 10 years, their investment grows to $20,000. Case study 3. A student invests their spare change using Stash's roundup feature. Over the course of a year, they accumulate $100 in investments. These case studies illustrate the potential of Stash to help you build wealth over time, even if you're starting with a small amount. So, how much money can you make on Stash? The answer is, it depends. Factors like your investment strategy, market performance, your contribution, and fees will all influence your earnings. However, with a well-thought-out plan and consistent contributions, Stash can be a powerful tool for building wealth. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.